Hello everyone, and welcome to the second lesson of my Kalimba improvisation. And this is building a plateau in your Kalimba playing, building or maintaining. In my previous video, we learned about two boxes, and those are two opposite boxes. One is happy and one is sad. If you haven't watched that video, please go to the link right here, so this video will make more sense. In this video, we will cover two more boxes, but this time they are both happy or calming, because these two boxes are both major chords. We will do it in the same way just like my previous videos. We play the boxes and then we add phrases. But first, let me give you a visual when you play box 6 and box 1. These two boxes are from my previous lesson. The flow goes like this because box 1 is major and box 6 is minor. In other words, box 6 creates the conflict while box 1 tries to settle it. And when you play that over and over, you create tension. Now, when you play two major boxes like box 4 and box 5, the flow goes like this. Well, you can still create tension there, but you need to add dynamics. And by dynamics, I mean this is how hard or how soft you play. This is how hard or how soft you hit the tines. And you need to know when to hit the tines hardly and when to hit them softly. Anyway, let me show you the description of those boxes, box number 4 and box number 5. Alright, so here's your box 4. Box 4 is happy, resolving, and building. Regardless of your key center, box 4 is box 4. It means it is box 4 in key of C, B, D, E, G. Alright, while box 5 is happy, resolved, and settling. So, if you imagine these two boxes, you can create a plateau in your playing. Alright, so we're doing the same exercise just like in my previous lesson. So, the beat goes like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So, we put box 4 in 1 and 2. It sounds like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then to box 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So to give you more examples, we will do it this way. After hitting the box, we will add phrases, just like in my previous lessons. We don't have specific rule on putting phrases yet, but you can always apply ascending and descending notes, just like how we learned it from the previous lessons. And adding phrases doesn't need to be complicated. Sometimes you just need to use one sign from your left thumb, and one sign from your right thumb. And that's how we explore it. And before I forget, if you like this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more lessons like this. By the time I'm making this video, a typhoon has just crossed the Philippines, leaving Catanduanes and Albay devastated. Let me encourage you guys to remember them in your prayer. But if you are willing and able to help, we have a team right there conducting our relief operation. If you want to know more about them, I'll leave their link in the description. If you want to send your help directly, you may just send it to the numbers, details you see on your screen. Or you contact me and I'll connect you with them directly. Alright, so let me give you more examples. Again, here's your box 4. And here's your box 5. And we're gonna put box 4 into beat 1 and 2. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then box 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then between those boxes, we will put phrases. And again, as I said, we don't need to make phrases so complicated. This time, we're gonna choose one sign from my left thumb, anywhere here, and one sign for my right thumb. And this goes like this. After this lesson, please practice it. Alright, so let's do this. 1, 2, 3, box. 1 and 2 and 3 and box. 1 and 2 and 3. Let's do it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 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 Alright, so let's do it again. Box, 1 and 2 phrases. 1 and 2 phrases. Box, 1 and 2 phrases. Box. phrases. Okay, so you keep practicing that and explore your kalimba and just see how you do it and share with me if you want to. See you again in the next tutorial. Thank you.